Aaron, Siegfried Motorwerx here. Today we're doing an unboxing video. We end up doing a lot of Groms here in-house and for customers, and one of those popular exhausts that we install is this RANSOTO system. I'm a dealer, and I'm going to tell you I buy them on Amazon myself for people. Depending on the day of the week and depending on, let me just get this over for you guys. Depending on the day of the week and depending on the seller on Amazon, you can buy this exhaust for around $86. That's shipped to your door, ready to install. The boxing itself is in pretty nice shape. Obviously some of the styrofoam took a hit there, but you end up getting, for $86, you end up getting this really nice exhaust system. Really well packaged. It's actually kind of shocking for $86. The first time I ever bought one, I was really skeptical, but you get this really nice carbon fiber exhaust, and it does have adjustable outlets for your exhaust, so you can make these louder. Also, then you get their little logo with it. You can put this on the exhaust. Personally, we just throw them on our toolboxes, and then these full head pipes as well, all single system. And then exhaust bracket for the mount. And then you also get all of your mounting hardware as well, springs, everything. The only thing you do need if you buy this exhaust system is you do need a spring puller or like a vice grip. It makes your life a lot easier. Also on Amazon, you can get them for about $12. You can get a spring puller. But that's an unboxing of the RANSOTO full exhaust for Honda Grom. Again, really nice system for $86. We do we're doing a review on this system versus the Yoshimura system. You're talking a $400 difference. So check it out on our YouTube page, and we'll catch you guys on another video.